I seriously don't know how Komal manages to look all polished and put together even when she is at home in a night dress. Like, look at me. See, if you think that just because I didn't comb my hair I look like this, no. Trust me, I combed my hair like 100 times. I've straightened it and I still look like a shit. Then just imagine how I'd look when I didn't do any of these. Hi guys, welcome back. Since you guys really loved all of my previous videos in which I was actually recreating famous bloggers makeup look, like all my videos, all my recreation videos had like thousands and thousands of views. So this time I thought of recreating Komal Pandey's look. In case if you guys are interested in watching any of my other recreations, you can definitely check this playlist out. The playlist is called Recreations. Even after watching this entire video, you can go back to my channel and check that playlist out. So in all her videos, Komal would have used a lot of skincare products, and to be honest, I don't even know what few products are. I'm just gonna skip out on those products, and in this particular video there is one such product. And when it comes to makeup, I won't be using the exact same products that Komal has used, because one, I don't have the money to buy all the products that a blogger is using in her video, and yeah, only one.
I'm using this Calabar Rose Mist. It's actually a face and body freshener both, so yeah.
I'm gonna be using my Dr. Sheth's face mist.
Serum first. I'm using the Jeju Volcanic Lava by Face Shop.
I don't use any serum. My skincare routine is really short. Like, I cleanse my face, I moisturize my face, and then what do? I cleanse my face, I tone my face, and then I moisturize my face. And on top of that, I forget to do even these 3 steps most of the days. So I don't have a serum.
Next up, I'm using a moisturizer. This is by Biotique. It's called Morning Nectar. Super cheap, feels super fresh and light. So yeah.
I'm gonna use my Cetaphil moisturizer because it's cheap and it's also really great.
I'm going to use the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I love this. I've been using this for the past 6 months. It's the most amazing moisturizer.
Oh my god, I totally forgot that she's going to be using 2 moisturizers. So I already applied the Cetaphil one before, and now I just apply whatever moisturizer I'm left with on top of it. Actually, she applies the lighter one first and then the heavier one, a bit heavier one. It's not too heavy and all, but I'm just gonna do the opposite. I don't know how this is gonna hit. Actually, Komal has dry skin and I have an oily skin, so probably at the end of this skincare session I'm gonna look like a puri. See, I told you.
Then I am using a sunscreen. It's extremely runny on my face.
I'm gonna use my Plum sunscreen. Like, I've never used a sunscreen beneath my makeup. This is the first time. I never wear makeup when I'm gonna go out in the sun, first of all.
I'm gonna use the L'Occitane.
I don't even know what that is.
Lotion. This one is a transparent lotion. It's like a water lotion, I think that's what you call it.
I don't even have anything in that consistency. Skip.
Some lip balm. This one's by Body Shop. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna apply this in my problem areas, by the way, not on my entire face.
Then I probably have to apply on my entire face.
I'm using the Faces loose powder.
I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder.
Quickly moving on to mascara. This one, what is this? I don't know what brand this is. Wait, I remember. What is this?
Whatever brand it is, I don't have, so I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal mascara
and remove all the excess. And not do my lashes first, but my eyebrows.
Actually, what happened is that I was looking at Komal Pandey's video and I didn't pay attention on what I was doing. So instead of taking out the mascara part, I took out the primer part. And yeah, that's what happened. Never applied a mascara before on my eyebrows. Okay, it isn't bad, it's okay. I think I didn't take off the excess properly, that's why it's actually clumping up on my eyebrows.
I think bronzer is my favorite product these days. I'm using this one from Nykaa. I'm just gonna take the same powder on my finger, just put it on my eyes. Blush, yes, so I use the Calabar blush. This one is in the shade Scarlet Rose. Since we're doing glam, we should go all out.
Actually, I've used this blush before, but I didn't like it that time when I used it, but now I'm really liking it.
Since we're doing glam, we should go all out and do glam.
I'm gonna be using the classic Ruby Woo from MAC.
Kiko Milano highlighter.
The minute I applied red lipstick, all my flaws are like just popping out. Look at my hair, like look at her hair. Sleek, straight, and this is trash. The reason why I never go for a straight partition is that I look like an ugly Dracula, if that makes sense. Draculas are never ugly, right?
Is the Body Shop Honey Bronze Shimmering Dry Oil. It's on my hands and
I don't have that. I badly wanted to get noticed when I'm going out, so I don't have products like that. I love watching Komal Pandey's contents because, my god, it is so therapeutic. Whenever I feel low, I just go to her Instagram page and I just look at all the videos that she has posted. Not just her Instagram content, just look at her YouTube videos. It is a class apart from all of the beauty bloggers, fashion bloggers. That's what I feel like. First of all, I don't know why I took this product out because I'm not even wearing a sleeveless. So I'm just going to be applying in this area. That is a body oil. So she was actually applying it with her hands. I don't think so. This product is advisable to use it with your hands. I feel like nothing is actually showing up on my skin. I should have probably chosen something that is quite darker.
some more of the highlighter and apply it on my collarbone.
My father has no good place to actually keep his phone.
Yeah, that's it for my glam makeup routine.
That's it, guys. There are like two things which I feel a bit weird about. One, my eyes. I never go out without applying a liner. Now, looking at my face without a liner kind of gives me a weird feeling, like I'm bald. Look at my face. That's how I feel, because I never used to finish my makeup without putting eyeliner. And the other thing is this hairstyle. I just wanted to mimic Komal Pandey's hairstyle, but that is not possible because hers is sleek, straight, perfect. But this is the maximum I could actually do with this. So yeah, in case if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. In case if you're interested in videos like this, you can definitely check out my playlist, which is called Recreations. So I have like few other bloggers makeup look recreations, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you.